Hey there, and welcome to ANSO INTERIO. In this video, we're going to be talking about home decor and sharing some tips and tricks for creating a beautiful and functional space. Home decor is the art and science of designing and furnishing a living space in a way that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. It encompasses a wide range of elements, from furniture and accessories to color schemes and lighting. The goal of home decor is to create a space that reflects the personal style and preferences of the homeowner while also serving their practical needs. The basics of home decor include understanding the principles of design, such as color theory, balance, proportion, and scale. This involves selecting the right colors, patterns, and textures to create a harmonious and visually appealing space. It also involves arranging furniture and accessories in a way that maximizes the functionality of the space. Other important elements of home decor include lighting, which can be used to create ambience and highlight certain features of the space, and accessories, which can add personality and interest to the space. These may include artwork, plants, rugs, and other decorative items. It's important to note that home decor is a highly personal and subjective field, and what works for one person may not work for another. The key is to experiment and find a style and approach that feels authentic and comfortable. Ultimately, the most important aspect of home decor is creating a space that feels like a true reflection of the homeowner and their lifestyle. Here is a more detailed explanation of the key principles and concepts in home decor. Functionality. The practical aspects of home decor cannot be overlooked. The way a space is designed and decorated should be in accordance with the way it will be used. The layout of the furniture, lighting, and accessories should be carefully considered to maximize functionality. Balance. Balance in home decor refers to the visual equilibrium in a room. A space that is balanced will feel harmonious and peaceful. There are three types of balance to consider. Symmetrical balance. This involves arranging items symmetrically so that they are mirrored on either side of a central axis. This creates a formal, traditional feel. Asymmetrical balance. This involves arranging items in a way that is not perfectly symmetrical, but still feels visually balanced. This creates a more relaxed, modern feel. Radial balance. This involves arranging items around a central point, like a circular table. This creates a dynamic, energetic feel. Proportion and scale. Proportion and scale are important considerations when it comes to home decor. The size of objects in a room should be in proportion to the size of the room itself. Large items can overwhelm a small room, while small items can look lost in a large room. Furniture and accessories should be chosen carefully to create a sense of balance and proportion. Color. Color can have a significant impact on the look and feel of a room. It can evoke emotions and set the tone for the space. When choosing colors, it's important to consider the overall mood you want to create. Warm colors like red and orange can create a cozy, intimate feel, while cool colors like blue and green can create a calm, peaceful atmosphere. Texture. Texture refers to the way that surfaces look and feel. Incorporating a variety of textures in a room can add depth and interest. Textures can be rough, smooth, shiny, matte, or anything in between. Using different textures in a room can create a tactile experience that adds to the overall feel of the space. Ultimately, successful home decor is about creating a space that is both functional and visually appealing. It's important to keep these key principles in mind when planning and decorating a space, but also to trust your instincts and create a space that feels authentic and comfortable. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. You enjoyed the content and want to see more like it? Be sure to subscribe to Urban Tree Interior. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos, and you'll be supporting our channel's growth. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. Thanks for your support.